Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download macOS Ventura from the Mac App Store, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, make sure your Mac is compatible with macOS Ventura. First, check your current macOS version by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Select About this Mac from the drop-down menu. If your Mac is compatible, open the App Store by clicking on the App Store icon in your dock or using Spotlight Search. In the App Store, use the search bar in the top right corner. Type in macOS Ventura and press Enter. From the search results, locate macOS Ventura. Click on the macOS Ventura option to view its details. Once the page loads, click the Get button to start the download process. If prompted, enter your Apple ID and password to sign in. Once signed in, the download will begin. You can monitor the progress in the Launchpad or the Applications folder. When the download is complete, the installer will launch automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to install macOS Ventura. If it doesn't launch automatically, you can find the installer in your Applications folder. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Read the terms and conditions and click Agree to continue. Select the hard drive where you want to install the new operating system. Click Install to confirm your choice. Your Mac will restart, and the installation will proceed. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, your Mac will start running macOS Ventura. Follow any additional setup prompts to finish the setup. You are now ready to explore macOS Ventura and its new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.